In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can know if somebody type the timeline video in your comment section of your YouTube video on YouTube. So what you want to do is go to YouTube or click on YouTube. And by the way, before I start, keep in mind this is not everywhere on YouTube. This is not out yet on YouTube. So you may not find that on all videos. But there is one other video or certain video that you will find it on. And what you want to do is go on the channel that you want to find it on and then click on the video that you will find it on. Then what you want to do is click on the comment of the video or the comment section of the video and go to the top right hand corner of the screen close to the X mark. You want to go to the second one by the X at the top and right corner of the screen. Then what you want to do is click on team or trim. Click on it and it will say beta. When it shows beta, that means it's not out yet on YouTube. YouTube is testing out that feature, so it's not out yet. But I want to show you in today's video what you can do. Now what you can do with it, basically it's going to show you a list of comments that has actually have the timeline. For example, this one says 5:35. When I click on it, it will bring me exactly where it says 5:35. Let me go to another one for you to see. For example, if I click on 7:26, the comment that writes 7:26 on timestamps, if I click on it, the video will exactly go to 7:26 on the timestamps. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.